We are fortunate to have a platform where B2B, this wholesaler to wholesaler meet takes place in Hyderabad. They have opened, UBM has opened avenues for our Hyderabad jewelers to visit shows held in different centers of the world. Just was discussing with a jeweler here, who is a manufacturer of Victorian, antique and other types of jewelry. Hitherto, they were restricted to either Hyderabad or metro cities like Bombay, Calcutta, Delhi and Chennai. Now that we have a media, you have a place of exhibitions in different centers in the world being conducted by UBM. We have more and more opportunities. It's up to us to encash the same. This show, which is being held from 6th to 8th of June, I feel if jewelers are not visiting the show, they are missing a lot. My personal experience in these expositions is that in few hours time, one gets experience and vision of different types of jewelry, of different places, of both Hyderabad and also from different parts of India, and sometimes even from abroad. If one has to visit, have a variety of jewelry in his showroom, either he has to depend on salesmen of jewelry manufacturer from different parts of manufacturing centers of specialist jewelry from Jaipur, Junagadh, Bombay, Ahmedabad and some places in Rajasthan, of course in South India, Coimbatore. So if one has to have the total knowledge of a particular jewelry of a particular place, he had to visit that place for a few days, then make his choices and have a B2B meet. Then he used to achieve his interest in that particular area jewelry. Because of this B2B organized by UBM, one can do within a day, which he had to do for at least 10 to 15 days. Each place 2 days, minimum 5-6 centers, so about 10 to 15 days, leaving his shop, his business, his family and other things. So I sincerely thank UBM for giving this opportunity for the Hyderabad jewelers and the state of Andhra Pradesh, and wish them all success along with the jewelers, and hope they will continue to hold such expositions apart from Hyderabad, the metro city, the cities like they have some potential in Vizag, Vijayawada and Visakhapatnam, where our people, jewelers, especially Indians, are shy to go to outside their city, in which case the jewelers have to go and expose so that they have a larger gathering and participation of the jewelers. It need not be such a big show, it can be show suitable to that particular area.